Hey y'all, today I will be styling this 613 13x4 lace frontal wig that I received from Megalook Hair. So initially this unit did come as a high yellow colored unit, but I did go in with my purple shampoo to tone the unit and to make it look just a little bit more better with my skin tone. So first things first, we are going to cut the air tabs off so that the wig can fit properly on our head. Now I will be cutting my lace into 3 sections, and I will lay down each section separately. To lay down my lace, I'm going to go in with my Bold Hold Active Glue, and I will only apply 1 layer of that glue. For a longer and more secure hold, I would suggest applying 2 layers of the Bold Hold Active Glue. Now I'm going to go in with my elastic band and blow dryer combo. I blow dry in a hot or warm heat setting, and I do this for about 5 minutes. This is just to help really lay that lace down and give it more of a natural look. Go in and cut my lace in sections, and I like to cut in a zigzag motion. With this technique, I feel like it just gives off more of a more natural look as opposed to cutting straight across. Now I'm going to go back in with my Even Firm Hold spray and relay the areas down that did not fully glue down the first time. So to match my lace with my skin tone, I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color level 15. And this really helps to blend the lace in so well and just makes it look so much more natural. As I was brushing the hair out, I did get some shedding with this unit. A lot of the times with 613 units, they do tend to shed. Okay, so now let's get into styling this unit. So first thing I'm gonna do is take out these two front pieces, which will be the side bangs. Since it is a half up, half down type of look, I'm gonna take this section that I'm gonna put up and I'm just gonna separate that so that I can work on the down/back section of the hair first. I'm gonna go in with the Cheese Silk Infusion Serum. And this is really going to really help that hair to get nice and silky and just moisturized. So this process is really just me styling the hair and going through the hair with my flat iron and my comb, just trying to get it bone straight. Now that we've styled the half down section, it's nice and straight, we're gonna go into the next section, which is the half up area, and just do the same process, which is flat ironing the top area as well. Now I'm just preparing the hair to go into a ponytail. So this hair did have a lot of flyaways, which is why you're gonna see me go in with my wax stick, which is going to really help the hair look nice and sleek. But I'm gonna go in with my brush, and then I will use the hot comb as well to try to get this area as flat as possible. Okay, so for me, the hardest part is done. We got the hair in a nice, decent, flat ponytail. So now it is time to work on our baby hairs. I like to cut my baby hairs just above my eyebrows. I feel like it's just like the perfect length for me. And I'm gonna go in with my Nairobi foam to lay down and style my baby hairs. We are at the last part of this styling process, which is working on the bangs area. So I'm gonna go in and just flatten this area with my hot comb. So this part may be a bit tricky for some people, which is layering the bangs area. So I like to layer the hair and just basically cut it at an angle. So I'm basically just cutting my hair and layering it in a diagonal angle, and I'm gonna cut it at a desired length that I like. Whatever length that you like, you can just always alter that as well. Okay, so to get that feathered layered look, I'm gonna go in and basically just try to like slightly bump the hair. Then I'm just gonna repeat the process on the other side. So just a few details about this unit. This unit is 26 inches long, and I do love a long, nice 613 unit. So I do love the fact that the length is definitely true to length. This unit is 180% density, and I do feel like this unit is definitely that. It is not too thick, but it's not too thin either. So I do appreciate that. And I would say that this unit is definitely soft. It didn't give like a rough blonde type of feel to it. So I really do like that as well. I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the darker shade to enhance my parting space. Okay, so here is the final look of this style. And this is my first time ever doing this style, and I must say that I actually really do like the way that this style came out. I feel like the feathered side bang look with the half up, half down, it's a bit different. I don't really see this, like the feathered look often, but I don't know, something about it, it gives off like a 90s type of look, especially with the blonde. So I'm really feeling it. I just generally love a blonde look, especially with my skin tone. It's just, it always gives like, look at me, main character energy. That is the end of my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and stay tuned for my next video.